Hi friends, this is Aman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tomorrow is weekly expiry and here I am with another video of our series Nifty Expiry Special Analysis. In the previous video, as I said, the derivative data was highly negative and I am expecting a good fall on the expiry day, and the same thing happened. Nifty, after opening at 14,570, made a low of 14,264 and that was 300 points fall, and you can watch that video clicking on top right of your screen. And in today's video too, we'll try to find out the important levels for tomorrow's expiry. So subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new and stay tuned. So now let's analyze the daily chart, and as you can see, I have marked previous swing high on the chart, and Nifty, after reaching till the previous swing high, made a negative candle in today's session and showing some signs of reversal. So that's basically first negative sign for tomorrow's expiry, and Nifty has a good support at 14,600. So now let's analyze 30 minutes chart for better clarity. So now if we analyze 30 minutes chart, we can see that there is head and shoulder formation. That's not picture perfect, but it should work again. And if you have watched my previous videos, you know that it's a bearish pattern, and you also know how beautifully it works. So if we find targets, this time it comes around 14,550. So second negative sign for tomorrow's expiry is breakdown from head and shoulders pattern. So now if we analyze the option chain, we can see that 14,800 call has the highest open interest, around 33,50,000, and it will act as resistance for tomorrow's expiry. And also we had short build up around 14,800 levels. So 14,800 seems to be upper end for tomorrow's expiry, but if we break and sustain above 14,800, we can see around 14,900 levels coming. So when we analyze the put side, we can see that we had similar kind of data in the last expiry, and even though Nifty closed at 14,690, 14,600 put writers unwinded their positions, 14,500 put writers unwinded their positions. So they know something we don't, and that's the reason they are squaring off the positions. But in the last expiry, the call writers did not square off the positions, but this time the call writers also squared off their positions, as you can see. So this time I am not expecting a major fall, and 14,550 may act as the lower end for tomorrow's expiry. But if we break 14,550, we may see around 14,450 to 14,400 levels coming. Put call ratio is around 1.09 and that's oversold, so we may expect a short covering rally tomorrow. And India VIX is up by 0.8%, around 20.6, so that's not negative. So tomorrow I am expecting a sideways to downward expiry. Also friends, I have posted a link in description to open your demat or trading account in my franchise. The brokerage is as low as 15 rupees per order, and many other benefits are mentioned in the description. Also I have posted a Telegram channel link, so if you are interested you can join my Telegram channel. So please like my video, share my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Aman signing off. Thank you.